So whoever had this bike before me, they replaced the ignition and didn't actually solder the points. So that's why this looks like this. Don't judge me. It wasn't me.
Wasn't me.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're gonna do the wiring for my ignition and for the right control switch, which will just be like the starter and the like kill switch. So it should be hopefully a pretty straightforward and easy process. So stay tuned. Cheers. First moment of truth. So I got my ignition here, in, one over is on, and then the stock push the start button. Okay, perfect. Nothing shorted. Ignition works. Sweet deal.
Sweet.
So now I'm gonna install the universal right control switch that I got, which will be just a kill switch and a push the start button, basically just like the stock. It'll just be cleaner and neater. So I'm actually going to use the old stock so that it can just be a quick plug in and play. So I'll cut this off and then solder these onto my new universal one. So let's get started. All right, cutting the stock control switch. Boom. No going back.
I can't go back.
Damn it, I forgot the frickin' electrical tape in this one. I do it always at least once. I forget to put the shrink wrap on it. Is that just me? Probably. So now I've got the new universal right control switch onto my old stock connector. So now it's just a plug and play. But before I put it on the bike, I'm gonna again check to make sure that it's working correctly. So let's do that. All right. It's all working. We'll take it. So I've got my ignition placed here just kind of temporarily, just to kind of get a feel for it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and if I can build a bike, you can build a bike. Cheers.